How to fix Steam missing file privilege. I'm going to show you 3 fixes. So for the first one, we want to click on Steam in the top left corner. Here we want to select settings, go to storage, and then click on the 3 dots right here, and we want to select the option to repair the library. Okay, so that was the first fix. If it still doesn't work for you, then what you have to do is go to your library, search for the game that you want to fix or that's giving you issues, right click on it, select properties, and right here we have to go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. So that was the second fix, and if it still doesn't work for you, then the last fix is just by clicking on Steam again in the top left corner, go to settings. This time we have to go to downloads and we have to clear the download cache. So just clear this cache right here and try running your game again. So hope either of those worked. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.